Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm doing plum brown stew fish. Here I have my fish, a small breadfruit, plum, sweet pepper, Irish, onion, tomato, hot pepper, garlic, carrot, scallion and thyme. And here I have a fish seasoning. I'm going to use some Maggi all-purpose seasoning and some powder Thai jerk seasoning. And here's my fish, already cleaned up and washed with vinegar. Now I'm gonna season it. As you can see, I give it some cut to let the season soak inside. Now I'm gonna dry and season my fish. Taking a piece of hand towel to dry my fish. Reason for drying, so when you put it in the pot to fry, it don't flash up the oil, the water off of it. Now I'm gonna season my fish. See, I combine all the season together. Make sure season go inside the cut. Season properly. Rub it in. You see it's inside the slice. Same treatment. Now I have a pot on the stove. I'm gonna pour some oil into it. I'm gonna add a piece of garlic and a hot pepper. Adding piece of thyme. And now my oil is hot. I'm gonna add my fish. And now I'm gonna peel my breadfruit. Peeled my breadfruit. Now my breadfruit is finished peeled. Now I'm washing my breadfruit. Now I'm gonna cut up my breadfruit in small pieces. Cutting up my breadfruit. leave the middle. And here I finished cutting up my breadfruit into fries size. Giving my fish a turn. Now my fish is finished fried. Taking up my fish. Adding my next fish. As you can see, I finished cutting up my natural season, my carrot, sweet pepper, tomato, onions, scallion, hot pepper, garlic. And here, my fish finished fry. Peeling my junk plum. Now my junk plum is finished peel, I'm gonna cut it up. Now my junk plum finished cutting up. Now I'm gonna make my sauce for my brown stew. Now I pot on the stove, I'm gonna add some oil into it, some of the fried oil. Not enough, just a little. Now I'm gonna add my natural season. Giving it a stir. Now I'm gonna add some water. Add in my Irish potato. Also add in my junk plum. Then I'm gonna leave it to boil up for about 3 to 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna add piece of thyme. Some of the same fish season I used to season it up. Some of the powder jerk seasoning. Some Maggi all-purpose. Then I'm gonna give it a stir. Now I'm gonna add some tomato ketchup. A little barbecue sauce, not enough, just a little. I'm gonna add a little bit of brown sugar. Then I'm gonna give it a stir. Stirring it up. Adding my fish into the sauce. I'm gonna take up the juice, taking up the juice, sprinkling it all over it. And now I have a pot on the stove. Now I'm going to use some of the same used oil what I used before to fry my fries. I'm going to pour in the oil into it, pot. Now I'm going to add my breadfruit fries in the pot. Now I'm going to give them a turn. Giving my breadfruit fries a stir. Now my breadfruit fries is finished. Now I'm gonna sprinkle some salt on it. Shake it up. And now my June plum brown stew fish is finished. Look at the gravy.